Home inventory in San Diego County continues to rise as new listings outpace pending sales. Hello and welcome to everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. Let's get right into the data for this week. Looking at inventory, it has risen yet again above 4,600 at this point and still climbing, although new listings were down just a little bit this week. But pending sales were also down just a bit, which kept inventory moving in the positive direction. Closed sales continue to be pretty flat as we wrap up all of those properties that went under contract in late December, early January at this point. Looking at median price, that did increase and has now increased for 4 months in a row. So median price continues to increase a bit. It's been bouncing up and down for quite some time. We generally see it going up, and then as inventory builds into the year and into the summer, it starts to wane again, and then the cycle starts over. It's been like that for the past couple of years. Looking at price reductions, the overall percentage of the inventory doing a price reduction over the last 7 days was down just slightly. So sellers are still hanging on very tightly to those list prices. And we'll see how that works out as inventory builds. Unless we get a break in interest rates, I expect pending sales to remain very, very similar in terms of numbers. Looking at interest rates this week, we are down to 6.01. So that the interest rate, the average for the past 7 days, is down, and that is always good news. Whenever we see even a slight drop in rates, we do see an uptick in pending sales. So this market is very, very much tied to interest rates and tied to inventory. So one of the things that could happen and will likely happen if rates dip down even further is you're going to see even more inventory because there are a lot of sellers on the fence. They want to make a move, but aren't ready to make a move at the current interest rates. So it will be interesting to see what happens if rates actually do get down into the mid fives. It should begin a lot of buying and selling activity, and it kind of remains to be seen whether that remains in balance or one gets out of whack with the other. Although we did see, of course, back in the time before COVID and during COVID, when interest rates were incredibly low, that was a real catalyst for driving up prices. So we'll see if the same thing happens again. Hopefully we'll get a chance to see that. Hopefully rates will go down and we'll get a chance to see what happens when they do. So that's what's going on in San Diego County real estate this week. If you enjoy this content, please remember to give us a like and subscribe and share with your friends. We are happy to answer any questions you might have about buying or selling real estate or the real estate market in San Diego County. So leave us a comment, send us a message, give us a call. We're always happy to chat. We will be back with great real estate information for you very, very soon. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you right back here.